So welcome back guys sa ating session. This is the second session for our Azure Basic. So I'm going to click here and then so for this I'm going to Active Directory and then let's see my Active Directory now. So this is my tenant, PinoyITgroup.com. So I'm going to go here in security. Let me check. And then you can see here some guide. Um, Name location. So I'm going to configure MFA trusted IPs. Let's go here. So here, pwede nyong allow users to create password to sign in to non-browser. So far here, and then you can, this one, you can enable verification, let's say through mobile app or text message. You can enable. So, and then you can save it. That's it. How to turn on multi-factor authentication for that. So I'm going back. So first is go to your Active Directory. I'm gonna go home here and then go to my Active Directory and then on security um, and then here name location and I'm gonna configure this. That's it. You can uncheck or check only what you want and then save it and then there you go. Update. So that's for the um, MFA, turning on. Okay, next part for our basic. So if we go to Active Directory, let's create a user. Let's go to user. I'm gonna create new user. Let's say if you're creating user, be sure that you're on the right track. Mm. If you're creating, let's say I'm going to create username. This will be my username, J Meneses. And then name is Jose. Oh, Jose Meneses. And then first name is Jose Meneses. So let's auto generate password here. And then you can also create password, but this time I'm going to use this auto generate password and show. And then I'm gonna copy that. So I'm going to log in that account and to show you. And then I say, so here you can say, this is important, guys. I'm going to show you later on. But for this sake, no. I'm going to do it now. This is really important. The location, usage location. If you will not set it up, you're gonna face some problem. So I'm going to get here, United Arab Emirates. So that's for now. Roles user. That's it. I can assign roles, but assign it into group. But later on, I'll do that. So just for this lab, we'll do it. Create now. We can edit it later on. So creating JMNSS. This is not an email, guys. This is not an email. So I'm gonna log into this account, jmenezes at pinoyitgroup.com. So I'm going to this my application. So let me sign in j.meneses. So it's j.meneses. J Meneses, I think. It's J Meneses at pinoyitgroup.com. So this is the username, not an email. I don't have an email. We're not in Exchange or Office 365. So the password is the one that, let's see, the one I copied. Let's check now. So uh, this is important to update the password. Login and update. Ah, he detected. So I'm going to use a different password. So that's it. That's for password already created. Skip for now. I'm going to skip for now. Next. Skip for now. So that's it. Now I was able to log in. So that's my account. Let's see. Now this is the one that we configured as before. We info let me now there is a so far I want to set up different method or I can skip the setup. I'll do it later on because I enforce the security. Uh, so I have it. So my account is working and I'm gonna close it as for now. So that's for my account. Now let's try to create naman user using PowerShell. So there's a PowerShell also here built in Cloud Shell actually. Let me check. PowerShell. Check it go. Training subscription. Let me check. Show advanced setting. Training subscription. So I'm here. Let me check why it's coming like this. PowerShell. Let's wait for this. So that's it. Authenticating. After connecting, got it. Connecting, I just got it and then connect. So let's see here. Since I'm already here inside this, so it detected that I'm logged in as EA admin. This is EA admin, huh? The account I'm using is EA admin. EA admin, that's it. And then let's try to create here. Let's see, new user. So let's see, AZAD user, AZAD user. Let's try help, and let's enter. We'll see some points here. So we can create. These are the commands that are possible. We can use. Okay. So yeah. So as of our lab, you can use create. As you can see here, example AZAD user create display name. So display name. Let's try that. AZAD user create AC user create. It's really And then you can specify display name dash dash display display oh display dash name display dash name, and then say the name is, let's say, Johnny Hill, Johnny Hill, and then user principal, user dash principal, and then dash name. This will be the principal name you will use, like the login name, and then will be J Hill, J, and then Hill, because it's J Hill at Pinoy IT Group.com, and then the password. So password. Wait. I have some mistake here. Let me check. I forgot something. We need to do this, or else it will not work. This one. We need to enclose this Johnny Hill, and then also this password, like, and say, um, I'm gonna say the password will be enclosed also. Open and close. Let's say cross out, cross out at 2021. Let me check if it's going to work. But if, as if here, say password principal name, princip this is the principal name. Let's try this one. Then enter. Up, it says following argument display name. It says here. Let me try up. Let me try up arrow. I'm gonna say I'm gonna change because this was my previous. I'm not sure if it's going to work with the new, but as of here, it's not. I think it we need to use this like new. Previously, we're using different, and now we need to follow this AC. So so we need to use the password first. If you will check this one, try this. So should be my display name, and then password and user principal name. So I'm going to copy this, and let me check if it's going to work using this. In the base. Hmm. Let's see. Argument display name. So let's still display name. Okay, okay. I didn't. It says display name. So I think I'm writing. I think that that's also gonna work. The one that yeah, it's display name. Display. So it's display name. And let's see. So let's see if it's gonna work. Funny. Oh, good. Kala ko. It's not gonna work. So it's still working, the previous one that we used before. And then this new PowerShell, it's still accepting this. And we can also use that one that's here. So next thing I'm gonna check if it's already created. Mhm. If it's going to show. So let's come back here first and review what I type here. So guys, actually, if you're first time in PowerShell, madali lang siya. Not that we need to be familiar only. So AD user create and put this. These are the important display name. You can put it here. User principal name. This will be the login. Dash dash user dash principal dash name, and then the login name and dash dash password, and then that one. So we're gonna have that. Enter. Next thing is we need to check on PowerShell if the if users that we created, like we have like how many user we created or only one. So in our lab it's only one. Let's check. And let's first see. Let's clear the list. So we have very clean. So easy AD user list. Let's check. Hmm. Oh, easy AD user list. Let's say error can't open reading no file such directory. Yes, it's a good thing. Let me check. Easy. So if you miss like something, you need to review something again. What you type. So now, yeah, we have here everything. We have bunch of. We don't like to see this bunch of like argument. Going to clear the space. CLS. So it's now here, but let's check again. This is the AD user list that I've created because we need to check some here. Let's find user principal name. We need this user principal name. I'm going to copy that. What I'm going to do is the AD user list, and then we type dash dash. Let's put query. If you are first time here, just screenshot this. These are the common that I think you're going to use. So don't forget this. Hmm, oh, these two. Oops. Okay, and then that the one that I copied. User principal name. If you are typing, and let's say I'm not going to. I'm going to type manually. Let's type manually first. So user principal name. If you type like that, um, if you are typing like this, I want you to show the error. I want to show the error. What will be the error if we will be typing user principal name? And let's see. So there's nothing. So I just wanted to say this. If you are going to put the right argument, it should be this one. Okay, should be capital. It's case sensitive, huh? And then that I want only to show you this. Let's see now. Okay. Yep. So we have the EA admin, user principal name, and we have the J Hill, the one that we have created, and then J Meneses. So they are all showing. So PowerShell is also usable for creating if whatever way you want you can use. So that's another way of creating the user. Some CLS. So I'm going to close this now. Let me. So that's all for now. We'll see you in the next session of our Azure Basic. Bye bye.